happy whatever day you're watching this video, this vlog. I am not gonna say what day it is because I think I am behind. I'm not gonna say what day it is because I'm behind on like 2 weeks of vlogs, and it's not my fault. Okay, I have committed to having vlogs up every Friday, and I mentioned in a previous week that I would like to do 2 days a week. I was starting at 1 day a week because, you know, I was just doing a whole lot to get the shop open. But things have slowed down. I don't have, like, my plate isn't as full because I did so much during the process of the first location. So right now I'm just waiting on approval of the new location. So just giving you updates. I pretty much last week would have had, you guys would have seen a vlog on Tuesday and Friday, but when I went in to edit the vlog, my camera, well, I think the camera plug is not reading, it's not connecting. So the adapter, it's not connecting from the camera. No, it is connecting from the camera to the laptop, it's just not pulling up for me to transfer the files. So short story shorter, I ordered like a little adapter where I could take the memory card out of the camera, put it in the adapter, or put it in this reader, and then plug that up into the laptop. So hopefully that will work instead of just the direct connection. I hope that moving here out of my face won't get on you guys' nerves. I hope it doesn't get on my nerves. As you can see, I got my hair out finally. 6 months of twists, and it's finally out. And it actually looked better than this a day or so ago. But yesterday it rained here in Atlanta, and I was out. I had a plant consultation, and just all of the humidity, it got a little bit wet. And so now it's just like, y'all know the struggle, right? Y'all know with natural hair. So here we are. It's not as smooth as it was literally a day ago, but it's all good. So I am running errands today because I have to go pick up a plant that I ordered in a Facebook group. I'll show you guys later. And I was supposed to pick it up on yesterday, but because of the rain after my consultation, I just got my behind out of the streets and went home. So I'm picking it up in a minute. I have 2 other plants coming today. One is a rare begonia, don't remember the name of it, you guys will see it in a little bit. And then also another dinosaur foot alocasia. That's not the technical name, that is the nickname. Again, you guys will see it later.
Saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
Later. 2,000 years later.
Hey you guys, I am on the way to the shop. Yes, we got the shop. We got the shop that we ultimately wanted. I am so excited. We got the email on Monday. It is Wednesday. So if you see that snake plant behind me, I'm just now coming from sourcing some plants for a client, and so I got her 2 plants today, and now I just have to go and find 2 plant pots. I'll probably do that tomorrow or Saturday because I'm going to get my hair braided on Friday. Do y'all see this? Oh my god, my shrinkage is crazy. But anyway, this is not a hair channel. So yeah, I'm going to look for her pot, like I said, either tomorrow or Saturday, and then I'll, you know, repot it, clean the leaves, make sure it doesn't have any pests and all of the things, and then I do the actual install next week. So yeah, we got the notification. So we are in the queue at the attorney's office for the landlord's team for our lease draft. It's going to take about a week and a half to 2 weeks, so it's all good. Everything has been, all triggers have been pulled. The contractor finished the drawings. We had a call last night to answer like questions that hubby and I had, tweaks that hubby and I had in regards to the drawings before he submit them to the county for permits. We had to finalize like the shape of the desk because I want, or a counter, you know, the checkout counter, that will be multifunctional. It'll be the checkout counter and where we would pot plants that needed to be repotted or whatever. And then we also included or reconfigured like the office so that we had like a hallway for plant care. So whether that's, you know, watering large plants, treating plants, whatever. I just feel like I need all of the things in that regard because it's about making sure that I give you guys the best plants. So we had to figure that out, add some places with some more lighting. So our next meeting with the contractor will be to finalize the paint color, light fixtures, the styles like that I want, the look, the finish, and also even the style of the counter, right? So he has the shape, it'll have electrical and all of those things, shelves in the back, a door, I can't remember what that door calls that flips up. It'll either flip up or it'll swing, you know, open. So we have to have that consultation. And then I have another consultation with a local artist here who does freehand murals, because we're gonna have some type of, you know, plant life, tropical, botanical drawing on one of the walls. So I have to meet with them. I'm trying to meet with them on Saturday, but I'm not sure. it's like a scheduling, you know, a little scheduling conflict, but we'll get that together. And then yeah, lots of meetings.
Moments later.
Hey you guys, so I'm in the space now, and this is what we're working with. This is the before. There are windows to the right and left of me. You can see they're on the corners, but like I said, I don't want to show where we are yet. All of this will be repainted, obviously, and you could see in the floor just kind of where the last tenants had, you know, counter space and such. And so we're having the floors done, obviously. And that is the restroom. There's that. And I will be coming in here periodically to check the lighting to see how it moves in the space. And I'm trying to walk all the way back so you guys can kind of, obviously y'all know phones and cameras do not do justice with how things look in person, but that is the space right there. And we're excited. We are excited. It's gonna look like a completely different place, but you guys will always have a reference point. Hey you guys, happy Sunday. I am on the way to meet 2 local artists who will be doing the mural, I guess is the word, in the shop. Just a little light work, nothing major. We are going to kind of just talk about the layout of the shop so that they can put their eyes on what they're working with, the area that I'm looking to have some type of botanical artwork on, how big it is, so that they can, you know, gather their scope of work and let me know what it will take for them to complete the job. The contractor has sent us the almost final drawings. We gave him a little modification to the office. Originally, we wanted the office to be a rectangular shape, which would pretty much have been flush with the bathroom. But I decided to do a more square shape, which would give us a, I think he said it's called an enclave. I think that's the technical term, an enclave, so that we would have like an additional wall for more plants or decor, whatever. And I honestly, I'm going back and forth because that might be the wall that has the artwork on it. I'm not sure. It's a very open space, so there are not many corners. And I feel like doing it the way with the enclave, it will give me a corner, but I'm also trying to decide if I want the botanical artwork on the wall that will be behind the reception desk, the reception slash potting desk, where we will pot, you know, plants. There'll be soil and such. So we'll see what the artists say and go from there. So I think he's submitting for permits this week as well, and hopefully, I thought that was a piece of my braid sticking out. You guys like my hair? Once we get the permits, you know, for the spot, he will begin whatever he will begin. I don't know what starts first. Probably floors, and then the walls will go up, and then the painting. But he says that it should only take him 2 weeks, three weeks max after getting the permit. So hopefully the county does not take a long time to process, which I don't think that they have a backlog right now, so we should be okay. But let me tell y'all what I have been watching a lot of since this process began, and y'all leave a comment down below if you know the show. It's The Profit. People come to go on this show with an idea, a business idea, or a business, no, they already have the business to some degree, whether it's big or small, and then they're asking for a certain dollar amount for a certain amount of equity in their company to scale and grow or whatever. We watched one episode about 3 weeks ago, and now we're addicted. We had to download Peacock, which is you know, a streaming app, to watch old episodes. And listen, we have learned so much from that show, you know, already going into business. Just things that we need to be mindful not to do, mistakes we need to be mindful not to make, things that we should do, you know, and all of the things. And I'm really enjoying it. Now he has a new podcast as well. It's called 100%, and I've been listening to that on I think on whatever streaming podcast that you use. If you guys have never checked out that show, I really advise that you look at it if you are looking to start a business. We are definitely glued to the screen watching that almost every single night. And then he also gives like progress reports so that you can see like did the company that he invests in, is it still successful, or did it fail, is it closed, or whatever. I hope that he does one post-COVID, so that we can see, you know, if the business models that he put in place for a lot of the businesses made it through COVID. That would be an interesting episode. I'm sure he will, but we'll see. But yeah, I am now to where I need to be. See y'all in a little bit. So great meeting, just met with the girls, and we finalized what we're gonna do. I had no idea exactly what I wanted to do, but like I said earlier, I just wanted to be botanical. So what they're gonna do is pull from the logo that they did for me. We have changed the original logo. If you're already following me, you already know what it is, and it's probably still showing, but we are changing it. So once the store opens, you guys will see the new logo, but they're pulling from those colors to build out, or to do the mural. So I'm excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited about what they're gonna do. Oh my god. What we just have to coordinate is when they'll be able to come in as it relates to the contractors. I'm thinking that the contractors are gonna say at the end, but I believe the time frame between when they're going to be done and when we are trying to open, there'll be enough time for them to come in, because they said it'll only take them a few days, or you know, a couple days. So that, I don't think that'll be hard to schedule and arrange. But there's nothing else really to update, you guys, really, in this video. I'm gonna go ahead and close here, and I'll see y'all in the next one.